Hey guys, it's Denise here and welcome back to another video, and thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, we are going to be playing with another polygel kit from Makartt called Mariposa Mayhem, which is super pretty, muy bonito. I absolutely loved it. But first, let me show you what's inside. First thing that we got here is just a thank you for shopping with us card. We got all these butterfly stickers, super cute. Next thing that we have is this file. It's 180 grit file as always. And then we have this dual-ended brush. On one end we have the spatula, and on the other end we have the brush. And it's all white. This brush always usually comes in every kit. Next thing we have is 4 polygel colors, which I absolutely love, and I can't wait for you guys to see them towards the end and how they show all their glitterness and shininess. All right, let me go ahead and swatch these for you guys really quick. So the first one that we have is this mint color. It's super pretty. Next one is this peachy color, and I'm sure you guys can see the name on the bottles, but going kind of fast so I can't really read it and I can't really see right now. Next one is a pink color, super cute. And then last but not least, we have this purple one, super pretty as well. And I can't wait for you guys to see all these 4 colors mixed together, super pretty. And then of course we have your base coat and your top coat, your dual forms. And then we have your glitter butterflies. And then we have your 3D butterflies, which are super cute. I absolutely love them. I love how they shine. And again, I can't wait for you guys to see them towards the end. And then here we just have more butterfly stickers. We can never have enough. And that was just the first box. So we're now moving on to the second box, which is the nail decoration set. And let me just go ahead and open it really quick for you guys and show you what's inside. So in this one, it's just a lot of butterflies, different colors. They also have the 3D flower. I keep wanting to say flowers, I don't know why, but the 3D butterflies. We got blues, greens, pinks, and then this orangey brownish color. And then the other butterflies as well. All right, and we are moving on to the third box. And this box is the 6-color gel nail polish set. And these colors are absolutely beautiful. Obviously, they go with the rest of the set when it comes to the colors. So this first one is that peachy color, or nude color, I guess you could say. I do believe it has some kind of shimmer in it. It's super pretty. Next one is this pinkish one. Kind of looks like jellyish, like it could be not as opaque as the other one. And then we got this one. I think it's more like on the bluish purple side. Well, I want to say purple. Super cute, shimmery as well. This light purple was my absolute favorite. You guys know I love purple. Super cute. And then this turquoise, darker on the darkish side, super pretty. And then we have this blue one, pretty as well. Absolutely love it. And that, you guys, is the full collection of the Mariposa Mayhem. If you guys are interested in this collection, you are able to use my code Nail.Chronicles for 15% off. All right, so let's move on to the application process. So here, I'm going to create a nail bed on this first finger. And the color that I'm using is called Bloom. And it's from the nail kit, also from Makartt, called The Life of a Rose. Again, it's a very pretty nude color. And I'm just going to create a nail bed. It wasn't my intention at first to create a nail bed. I actually didn't know what I was going to create, but I thought, let me go ahead and try a nail bed on this first finger. So that's what I did. And here I'm just shaping it into that nail bed. And I am using alcohol as my slip solution for this set. And I'm just taking my brush and shaping it as best as I can. I am curing it for about 30 seconds right now, just so it won't go anywhere. And after I was done flash curing, I did get a lint-free wipe with alcohol and just cleaned off the sticky layer. And then here I'm just taking my file and just reshaping my nail bed so it can be nice and crisp. And now I'm just taking those polygels that I swatched earlier, and I'm gonna use them to create the rest of the nail. I absolutely love these polygels. You guys have no idea. I love the colors and I love how they shimmer. Super pretty. And then I'm just working it down towards the free edge, making sure. Did I say free edge? Yeah, I think I did. And I'm just working it down the free edge, and I'm patting. And I'm just cleaning where the nail bed and that polygel meet, just so it looks nice and crispy, nice and clean. And then we're going to move on to the next nail. So for the next nail, I'm taking all of those 4 colors again, and I'm going to go ahead and marble them together. Look at how pretty and satisfying that is. Well, at least to me, super cute. Reminds me of a unicorn. I did put a lot of polygel on here. I wasn't sure if I was going to need more or not, but I guess more is better than not enough. I don't know. So this nail did come out a little bit thick, which just means that I'm going to have to do a little bit more filing towards the end, but no biggie. So here I'm just working it up towards the cuticle, making sure my sides are all nice and clean because I'm trying to maintain the shape as best as I can. And this whole time that I was doing the nails, I was contemplating if I was going to have to encapsulate or not. I wasn't too sure, especially with polygel. I know with acrylic, we usually do encapsulate the colors or anything like that, but I wasn't too sure, but we'll get to that. All right, so now I'm just going to use these little butterfly glitters, and I'm just going to place them here sporadically on the nail or however I want them to go. These are super cute. And then I'm just going to take this purple glitter that I had sitting there that goes with the nails here, and I'm just going to add a little bit there. I'm just going to flash cure for 60 seconds, well, not 60 seconds, 30 seconds, just so those butterflies won't go anywhere. And now for the ring finger, I'm just going to create another nail bed here. And then I'm going to take those 4 polygel colors again. But first I'm going to go ahead and reshape my nail bed, make sure it's nice and crisp. And these files are from Sally's Beauty Supply, which I absolutely love. All right, so now I'm just going to take those 4 colors, but this time one at a time. So I'm going to lay that first color down, and I'm going to try to shape it into the shape of the nail bed, of course. Make sure that the edge of it is nice and crisp and clean. And then after I lay down every color, I do flash cure for about 30 seconds. And then again, I'm adding the next color. And I'm just going to do the same thing until I get to the free edge. And I'm not trying to do this so perfectly. I don't want it to be so perfect. So yeah. So back to the whole encapsulating thing. The only 2 fingers that I encapsulated were the middle finger, the ones with the glitter, and the pinky. You're going to see at the pinky I did add glitter as well. So those are the only 2 that I encapsulated. I didn't feel like I needed to encapsulate the ring finger and the index finger. When I came down to filing, it didn't take away any of its shininess or anything like that. They still came out super gorgeous. So moving on to the pinky, again, I'm grabbing all of the 4 colors and I'm just going to marble them together. And remember, guys, pat, 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 and pull down until you are satisfied with your application. Okay, so moving on, just like the middle finger, we are going to add butterflies and glitter to this pinky nail because you can never have enough glitter on any of your nail sets. It just makes everything look so much better. All right, so taking this one other glitter butterfly and I'm just pinching it with my tweezers so it can look 3D. And as you can see, I just applied it to my pinky. Here, I'm just taking some of that gem glue to add more 3D butterflies and more of the glitter butterflies. And I don't know what happened to my recording, guys, but after I added all the butterflies, I did add my top coat, which again, it didn't show. I'm not sure exactly what happened. But I do want to say that what I should have done after applying the gem glue, I should have applied my top coat and then my butterflies, so I wouldn't have to worry about applying my top coat over everything else. I could just pop them in the lamp and cured. So, but things happen. All right, guys, so here are the final results. I absolutely love them. I love this polygel. The shimmer of it is just absolutely gorgeous to me. And if you guys like them, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.